I was watching recipes from a hat today, and from her hat she pulled out octopus, and she said it was too disgusting to make, so I'm going to try and make some octopus for dinner. So first, what I have the baby octopus, so I'll go ahead and open that up. A little gross. So, it's already been cleaned. Here's the little tentacles. Next up, I'm going to squeeze some fresh limes. Okay, so now I have squeezed all the limes, and I have three large limes worth of juice. And I have Jamaican pickapeppa sauce. And then I have lime-infused tequila. So that's going to be the marinade for my baby octopus. So half a pound of baby octopus. I'm going to add the lime juice now. It's not a lot of tequila. And basically what you want just enough lime, and I use that whole bottle of pickapeppa sauce, and then, a cup of tequila. So what's going to happen now, I'm going to close up the Tupperware and stick it in the fridge for about an hour. You can do it overnight. And it'll marinate in there, and then the octopus will cook in the lime juice and the tequila and get tender, which is important for octopus because it can get chewy. It's been a little more than an hour, so I just took the octopus out of the refrigerator. I have some olive oil on the stove. I'm just gonna put a little baby octopuses. Fork. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the baby octopuses, octopi, lay them right there. While the octopus is finishing cooking, I just want to make it tender. I'm going to cook some 7-grain pilaf. If you look at the octopus now, when you cook it, you just want to make sure it's tender. Almost done. Turn it down and let it simmer. So here we have a 7-grain pilaf with baby octopus in tequila lime marinade. there's tentacles. So here's some tentacles. It's nice and tender, it's not too chewy. You can really taste that lime. It's a lot more tender than fried calamari would be. Of course, if you cook calamari in tequila and lime juice, you know, it might be this tender too, but it's really good.
Thank you.
So, bon appetit.